Okay, today we're here. I have a Century Machine 9-inch bandsaw, and what I'm having problems with is the wood is cutting. I'm just going to grab an old scrap piece of wood right here, and if you put the wood in, it should cut straight. And what I'm having a problem is the cut is going at an angle. I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, that's at a complete angle. That's not the camera. So, I replaced the bandsaw, but I had to call an expert. So first thing you want to do is unplug the unit. The expert is my father. He said that I could have a bad blade. So we're going to replace it real quick. All you got to do is there's a release here, and you can see this will release your blade. And basically, you want to undo your table notch here. Okay. So the blade just comes right out. This was our old blade. I went down to Harbor Freight. I grabbed a new one. You got to know your size. So mine's a 62 inch. It is an odd one. So teeth per inch is 8. I got the width is 3/16. So here's our brand new blade. And if this is working correctly, from what the old man says, it should be the blade that's the problem. So all we're going to do is slap a new blade on here and see if my pops was right. And if I'm a betting man, which I am, I'm going to guess that he is correct. Otherwise, we're going to do a video and talk about Harbor Freight's tools. Now these are hard to get back in here a little bit. You can see I'm just lining it up. And what you want to do is get it around the wheels if you can. Keep a little tension on it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is put a piece of tape on the blade just to hold it in place. And that's about all there is to it. Now we're going to retighten it. And it should be working. Remove my tape. Check it. We're all in line. Looks good. The battery's about ready to die, but we're going to run another piece of wood straight through this saw. That was as straight as can be. So if you have a problem with your bandsaw pitching and it's cutting at an angle, change your blade, because what happens, these two teeth right here, they start to get dull and they'll push the blade one direction or the other. So this turns out it was a pretty good deal down at Harbor Freight, and you can see I got my lathe all set up the way I wanted it. I had to do a little tooling here, but that came out really nice. That's a Century Machine lathe also. We also have the Century Machine belt sander, and I'll go over that next time with you. But all in all, I thought I was going to have to get rid of this, and it was just the blade. So my dad was right. Experience saves the day on that one. So if it's pitching on you at all, just replace the blade. Till next time, this is Bob signing off.